Alright, this is how to change your sway bar links on a Super Duty. This is an 01. Alright, we're going to take off the bottom nut here first. There's slots on the back here where you can stick a wrench in here to keep this from spinning. I'm actually going to cut this rubber bushing right here off so that I can get my wrench in there, because I can't get my wrench in. Alright, got my first one off. I got pretty lucky and the bolt just snapped right off. So sometimes these are a real pain to get off, and you might have to use an angle grinder and just cut them. Obviously you don't want to cut the actual sway bar. You want to be cutting right in here where the actual bolt is, or out on the outside of the nut. Cut the nut off. So the next one you have to do is right up there. Works the same way, except for the nut is on the back side here. I'm sorry about all the grease, but it is right there. So I'm gonna work on getting that one off. Once that one's off, it's all easy work from there. Putting the new ones on. So alright, got our old one out here, got the new one down. I got greasable ones, so I got to put these grease zerks in the end. Make sure when you put these in that you point them down so that they're easy to grease in the future. They just screw in here, and then mine are a 10mm on their wrench to tighten them down. And then we'll fill them up with grease once we get them installed. Alright, there it is installed. Once you got it in, grease them up, and once you see the grommets here starting to puff out, you should be good. If you could give me a subscription, if this helped you out, that'd be awesome. Hope you liked and learned something good here. Have a good one.